Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a mixture between Skibidi Toilet and Mario as one character. So let's get started. Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over a mixture of Skibidi Toilet and Mario, okay? So let's kind of do it, all right? First thing we're going to do is we're going to go over here. We're going to draw a curve right here for Mario's nose. Okie dokie. So, going to go back over here now, curve out here for the mustache. And now we're going to go over here on this side and find the other side of the mustache. Curve down over here, curve, 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 all the way to the very end. Okay. Let's fill this in. Right on, just filling it in there. There we go. And now let's go over here to the eye. I'm going to go right here. We're going to draw a circle right there for Mario's eye. Then over here on this side, another egg-like shape on the far end. Let's go over here now. Circle, circle. Dot right here, square right here, dot right here. Line up. Right on, right on, right on. Okay. Now we're going to go over here and we're going to draw the curve right there of the brim of the hat. Line over here where the brim touches his head. Out over here, down. Line over here. Curve. Curve over here. Downward. Curve line. And then curve line right here for his hair sticking out the side of his hat. Let's go over here on this side. Curve for the ear. Line, line. Alright, doing good so far. Now we're going to find the far side of his face over here. So we're going to curve over here. Line down, up, and curve right there. Line. Downward, curve up. Top row of his teeth. Curve right here for the tongue, and then we're going to fill this in. Like he's like really, expressing himself, like he's emoting, right? We kind of want that from him. Now we're going to go up here, curve up, down, and then another bump right here for the back of his hat. Over here now we're going to draw a curve for that M on his hat, and then we're going to literally just kind of draw the M. Cool, cool. So now let's go over here to line underneath to kind of show the toilet portion. Line down, curve up right there, the whole of the toilet. Curve right here, downward, downward. Line over here. Conceivably this could happen, right? Because, he is a plumber, right? And he comes out of pipes and stuff, so he could pop out the toilet. Let's go over here on this side. Let's go over here on this side. Line out. Line out. Downward. Downward. Line across. Curve. Curve. And now let's kind of draw the back of the toilet seat, right? The toilet seat up over here, curve, and then downward right here. Just close enough is good enough. You don't have to worry about like measurements or anything like that. Draw a circle over here, circle right here, circle right here, circle right here, and circle right here. Line across, line across. For kind of that. Now we're drawing the tank in, you know, the tank of the toilet right in the back. Pulling up over here, up over here, curve, curve. Well, it's not even a curve, it's straight there, but you want to try to make it seem like it's joining up in the back. It doesn't have to be exact, but you want to make it close, you know. Now I'm going to go over here, pull down, curve. Go over here now, down, curve in, line up, line, line. And now what I want to do is add a thick line on the outside of everything. The reason you want to do that is because it's going to give it a sense that it looks like it's thicker or something. Curve around here, downward, line, line over here. There we go. Just kind of doing. As I'm doing this, I'm going to talk to you about something. If you guys like these mixture videos, please hit the like on the ones that you do. It definitely helps the channel out when you do that. Even if it's an old video, go back and hit the like if you want. But I want to thank you very much for watching, and I think it's incredibly rewarding and incredibly fascinating to have you guys kind of talk to me, and you know, always you can tell me what bothers you with your drawing. Absolutely, if you write that in the comments. I read every. We gotta thicken this line over here. It's a little bit forward. I read every single comment, and I definitely am, you know, really happy with that, and I want to, you know, I'm definitely pretty pleased with that. But when you write like in the comments, it kind of lets me know what you need to work on, and I'll make a whole video on that exact same topic. Right on. Line over here, line over here, line over here, line down, line up, over here, line. And that's pretty much it. What I want you to do is I want you to stay there, and we're going to continue to draw, okay? I want you to stay right there, and let's continue to do this together. So let's get started on the next one right now. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.